Hello everyone. Welcome to the Nguyen Phat Tools channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up automatic comment replies on Threads using my bot. To make it more visual, I have already created a post on Threads, and then I will use multiple Threads accounts to automatically reply to comments on this post. As you can see, at the moment this post does not have any comments or interactions yet. Okay, and now I will use my bot to mass reply to comments on this post. On the screen you are seeing right now is the main interface of the software. It is called MKT Insta. Basically, it allows you to manage unlimited Instagram and Threads accounts on a single device. From there, you can automate actions such as posting, commenting, messaging, scraping leads, and more across multiple accounts at the same time. You can log into accounts and use them just like a normal browser. Okay, to reply to comments on Threads, first we need to prepare the reply content. I will go to the Content Management section and add the content that I want to use for commenting into the software. Here I have already prepared the content, and I will add it into the software like this. After adding the content, I will go to the Threads section and choose Threads Comment. Here, I will select the accounts that I want to use for mass commenting. Next, on the right-hand side, I will set up the configuration for comment replies. The delay between two actions is set to 5 to 10 seconds. Transfer account if consecutive errors is set to 10 times. Next, I will select the reply comment content that I just added and save it. In the comment configuration, you can choose to comment by profile, comment by a specific post link, or comment by keyword. I will choose to comment by post link, then add the post link that I want to auto-comment on here. Okay, after completing the setup, I will click Begin, and the software will start running. As you can see on the screen, the accounts are starting the process and beginning to reply to the post. Okay, and now the software has finished running. You can check the link here. So in this video, I have shown you how to set up automatic comment replies on threads using MKT Insta. If you find this software useful for your work, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp in the description below for consultation and software support. Bye.